Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the screensaver of your Samsung Galaxy M15. To this operation, slide up, go to settings, search for the display. Now scroll down and there is a screensaver option. So click on it, and in standard mode is none of the screensaver, but you can choose from many of options. There is a colors. Let's see the preview. Photo frame, no photo select. Okay, we don't have photo table, the same things, and a photo, we don't have photo, so any photo will not see that. But if you have some photo, then the photo will be on your screensaver. So that's it about the screensaver. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.